few on the big net.
Thank you.
No worries. Looks like a fish. Oh no! And right on
because
cue.
I touched the net.
Jinxed it.
How big do you reckon that was, Lance? Was it?
Similar to those ones
Normally it looks
yesterday.
bigger from up there.
Would have been like 12 to 14, eh? First fish lost for the day, and as you can probably tell, it's a bit of a miserable day out here. I think that front rolled in yesterday and it hasn't given up. It is a little bit less windy than it was yesterday afternoon when we were down here, but the rain set in today, which we didn't really have to contend with yesterday other than the light shower. But yeah, it's going to be challenging today. I think it's going to be mostly filming on the GoPro and the drone, and we'll see if we can get into some big fish. There's obviously still plenty of fish hanging out in the river here. We haven't seen anything quite the caliber of last year yet, but there's a lot around that 15-pound mark and some beautiful rainbows all cruising through here. So we're going to keep fishing, do our best today to get onto some big fish. Adam's hooked up. Real silver looking. Probably put about, say, 20 or 30 casts through this patch. Had the one hook up until now. It's taking for a run again.
Yeah, I think so. It's all the way across the river. Into the backing. Trying to keep as much fly line out of the water as I can. It creates drag and
Yep.
snap the hook.
Getting a bit back on it now.
Yeah, well, I think he's in control. He's just moving upstream and I'm matching him.
It's a good fish.
I would have thought that was smaller than That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
There's a good fish.
Yep. Yep. Alright, I'll see if I can swing her in.
Yes! Oh, that's a tag.
Yeah. It's got some girth, some weight.
That's bigger than I thought. Oh, yes. Nice, Adam. That's awesome.
Wow. Yeah, alright.
Take that.
It's got to be high tens at least. Surely. Just about 17.
Oh.
We'll call it 17.
Alright.
the weather's atrocious down here. The wind's ripping in, the rain's coming in. It's meant to be gale force winds here all afternoon. It's only meant to get worse. And it's pretty miserable fishing, but we're still trying to make something happen. And Lance has just had a couple of fish here have a go at his fly. Didn't quite hook up, but we're out here, we're doing our best. We're battling gale force winds and a whole lot of rain, as you can probably see on the lens. It's pretty miserable, but hopefully we can get into some good fish shortly.